Hey everyone, in this lesson we are going to begin making nouns plural in German. So making a noun plural in German is not as simple as following a basic pattern. There are actually 5 basic patterns for making a noun plural. What this generally means is that for each noun that you know, you have to memorize its plural. There's really no way around it, and again, this is just done through practice. So let's practice. So we have the window. In German, it's das Fenster. You know that already from your vocabulary. The window, das Fenster. Now, let's make some complete sentences here. So the window is, this would be the verb sein in German. Remember, das Fenster ist. Das Fenster ist. Let's add an adjective, new. Das Fenster ist neu. Das Fenster ist neu. The window is new. Okay, so now we want to make the noun plural. So for das Fenster, the plural form is die Fenster. All you have to do is change the article. Now, I've mentioned this before in a previous lesson. If you want to make a noun plural, the one thing that's the same for every noun is the article. So all plural nouns take die. In other words, die is the word for the in any plural. So die Fenster. Die Fenster, the windows. The windows, die Fenster. Now we want to say are in German. Again, that's the verb sein. It can't be ist. Ist is singular. Die Fenster sind. The windows are. Die Fenster sind new, neu. Die Fenster sind neu. Die Fenster sind neu. Okay, so compare. Das Fenster ist neu. Die Fenster ist neu. Notice Fenster is the same, singular and plural. Fenster, 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 Fenster. The article tells you that it's plural, die Fenster, and also the form of the verb tells you that it's plural. So, die Fenster sind neu. Das Fenster ist neu. Die Fenster sind neu. Das Fenster ist neu. Die Fenster sind neu. So remember das Fenster. How do you make it plural? The windows. Die Fenster. Die Fenster. To continue learning and go to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.